Good morning and welcome back to our channel. If you're as excited as I am about the new Ranger that's scheduled to arrive on Australian shores sometime next year, then listen up. Today I'll be talking about the engines that are earmarked to the power of the new Ranger, what we do know, what we don't know, and what we are just guessing on. To start with, we do know that there are going to be 4 of them. What we don't know is which 4. It looks like there are going to be 3 diesel engines and 1 petrol engine. That's right, it looks like Ford Australia might be introducing a petrol version to the Ranger. We haven't seen a petrol Ranger since the previous generation, but the question is, which engine? We know that in the US, the Ranger is available with a 2.3 litre Ecoboost engine. That's the same engine we first saw in Australia in the Focus RS. And later in the Focus, the Mustang, and the recently released Escape, this is pretty exciting engine that is capable of producing upwards of 200 kilowatts. In fact, on the Ford US website, it's rated at 270 horsepower, which equals to about 202 kilowatts. Moving to the diesel options that are currently available in the Ranger, we have the 2.2 litre turbo diesel, the 3.2 litre 5-cylinder, and the 2 litre bi-turbo. We do know that at least one of these is going to get axed from the lineup, as Ford has confirmed the introduction of the much awaited 3 litre V6 diesel engine for the new Ranger. This is by far one of the most anticipated engines in the Ranger. Our customers have been asking for this engine for years, and it's great to see that Ford Australia have been listening. At this stage, we don't have too much more to share on this engine. How many turbos will it have? What kilowatts and torque output? We don't know. We are not even sure at this stage what gearbox it will be paired with, but my guess would be that the 10-speed automatic. So if the 3 litre V6 is confirmed, and we know that there will be only 3 diesel options, this means that one of the existing options needs to be moved aside to make room for the V6. The question is, which one? As the 2 litre bi-turbo is the latest and most advanced engine in the current lineup, I would guess that it's not the one that's getting axed. So that only leaves the 3.2 litre and the 2.2 litre on the chopping block. Currently, the 2.2 litre is the only available as the cost-effective, tried and tested option for the base model Rangers. I would speculate and say that this is too frungled to get rid of. So that leaves the 3.2 litre all alone, the one that gets the most of the votes and the one most likely to be voted off. So there you have it, my speculation on the new Ranger engines. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we find out more. If you have any questions, drop them below or come in and see us.